Hello again, everybody. Well, first and foremost, I need to apologize deeply because I promised you I'd get a YouTube video out after the last slideshow. And yesterday I was working on the tractor, but I had some friends show up and they gave me a hand, and a couple of them are kind of go-getters, so they were moving right along. I was having a hard time keeping up with them, trying to get paint on things I need to get paint on before it goes together. But unfortunately, I brought the camera out to the garage. I'm not really used to this yet, the camera following me around, which is not a problem. The big problem is me remembering to A, bring the camera, B, charge the battery, or C, turn it on. So unfortunately, we did quite a bit of work yesterday, and I forgot to turn the camera on. I don't know what else to tell you other than I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick walk around today of what we accomplished yesterday. Try to cover all the bases, but you'll see how far we've gotten. All right, I'll see you on the other end of this thing. Okay, well, once again, this is my video that kind of tries to catch everybody up as to where we got. We did quite a bit of work yesterday compared to where we were, and I forgot, once again, my fault, forgot to turn the video on for you. But I'll try not to make you too motion sick. This is the top of the transmission cover. We got that off. Got all the peripheral parts off. Obviously you can see the seat. There's the steering pillar, and if I haven't cleaned this out yet, this is really bad. I'll show you the transmission gears. They're in really rough shape, but I'm going to be keeping this tractor, I think. I always say I am, and then I wind up selling them. And it's not going to be a hard working tractor. But if you'll notice, the gears are half worn. So whoever used this, well, it's not a brand new tractor. I mean, it's 1948. So what are we looking at here? 70 years old. So there's 70 years of grinding the gears in the transmission. If you see, these gears are half worn off. That's basically just from not letting the transmission stop. This one's not as bad. That's probably high gear. Not as bad because it doesn't get used that much, but as you can see, somebody didn't like to use the clutch and be patient. Or the oil level in the transmission might have been so low that it wasn't slowing the gears down as fast as it would if it was up to level, and it takes longer. And once again, it's back to patience. But anyway, that's what can happen. But as you can see, we got the housing, clutch housing, and hydraulic pump housing back on. The hydraulic pump sits here on the floor. That actually sits right, comes up underneath here and comes right up into here, sits in here. Here's the ports, here's your fill port. But we got the clutch in, new clutch installed, flywheel on, the engine mounted. We got the front bolster cleaned up where it's going together. Obviously there's a lot more cleanup needs to be done to some of this stuff, but I brought my stand in. So what I'll be doing is taking that stand and fastening it up here somewhere right between the front tires and the oil pan, or maybe even back here, probably back here where I can clear them tires, so I can get the front end permanently up off the ground enough so I can take the tires and front rims right off of it and get up underneath the bolster and clean some of that. As you can see, we did get the head installed with a new gasket, but I didn't get the head painted yet. So actually it's because I didn't have, believe it or not, I didn't have an old set of spark plugs. I've got to find some spark plugs I can stick in there so I can paint it. I don't want to put the new ones in there and paint the new plugs up. But anyway, once again, sorry guys, I didn't video this. I had three of my friends come up. They wanted to work on the tractor, so I had about all I could do just to keep them under control, if you will. So, but anyway, for the 4th or 5th time in this video. I apologize for not turning the camera on. I've got to get into that routine. I'm sure I will. But for now, thanks for watching. And I'll try to be a little better at not forgetting the camera. Alright? You guys all have a great day.